Step by step.
Crayon steps. How to hold a crayon. Hold the red crayon. Red crayon, red crayon. Red crayon, red crayon. Hold the black crayon. Black crayon, black crayon. Black crayon, black crayon. Hold the pink crayon. Pink crayon, pink crayon. Pink crayon, pink crayon. Hold the blue crayon. Blue crayon, blue crayon. Blue crayon, blue crayon. Hold the brown crayon. Brown crayon, brown crayon. Brown crayon, brown crayon. Hold the white crayon. White crayon, white crayon. White crayon, white crayon. Hold the yellow crayon. Yellow crayon, yellow crayon. Yellow crayon, yellow crayon. Hold the purple crayon. Purple crayon, purple crayon. Purple crayon, purple crayon. Hold the orange crayon. Orange crayon, orange crayon. Orange crayon, orange crayon. Hold the green crayon. Green crayon, green crayon. Green crayon, green crayon. Experience Crayon Steps, the most innovative English textbook for kids.
Step by step.